Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like something about your skin, your face, or even your joints didn't match how young you feel inside? Maybe your cheeks look a little flatter than before. Maybe your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to. Or maybe your knees and hips feel a bit more crunchy when you get up from a chair. Most people blame aging itself, but the truth is much more surprising. In many cases, it's not age, it's what you're eating every single day without realizing the damage it's causing. Today, I want to walk you through something that almost no one talks about, yet it silently affects your skin, your joints, your tendons, and even your blood vessels. I'm talking about the slow destruction of collagen, the most abundant protein in your body and the foundation of almost everything that keeps you looking and feeling young. And the shocking part? There are common foods you probably consider harmless or even healthy, that literally eat your collagen from the inside out. And yes, the scientific term is real. Certain foods trigger a biochemical event called glycation, where sugars attach to proteins like collagen and elastin, forming sticky, destructive molecules that make your tissues rigid, brittle, and prematurely aged. These molecules are called AGEs, advanced glycation end products, and once they accumulate, they are extremely hard to remove. But here's the good news. Once you understand which foods are silently causing this damage, you can dramatically slow down the loss of collagen, protect your skin, support your joints, and revive your youthful vitality from the inside, often in just a few weeks. So let's begin this journey together. And as always, if you enjoy learning how to age smarter and live longer, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Now, let's talk about the first and most powerful collagen destroyer. Most people think that sugar only affects weight, energy, or blood glucose, but the truth is far more serious. Sugar has a direct, aggressive chemical reaction with collagen that scientists compare to rusting the body from the inside. Every time your blood sugar spikes, even for a short moment, collagen strands inside your skin and joints get twisted, stiffened, and broken. Over time, these damaged strands pile up and make your skin lose elasticity. That's why fine lines become wrinkles and wrinkles become deep folds. But skin aging is only part of the story. Collagen makes up your cartilage, ligaments, and even the lining of your blood vessels. When these tissues break down, you start feeling joint stiffness, slower recovery after exercise, and sometimes a vague sense of inflammation that you can't quite explain. It all begins with sugar. But the problem isn't just desserts. Sugar is hiding in places nobody expects. Salad dressings, granola bars, flavored yogurts, pasta sauces, breads, healthy juices, energy drinks, and even foods labeled fit, natural, or no added sugar. The body doesn't care what the label says. It only reacts to chemistry. And chemically, these foods act exactly like table sugar. If you start cutting back on hidden sugars, especially the ones you consume in the morning or late at night, your collagen will thank you, and you'll start noticing a smoother glow in your skin, fewer inflammatory aches, and more steady energy throughout the day. Now, the second collagen-destroying food is even more common, and you probably have it in your kitchen right now. Highly refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, pastries, crackers, pancakes, waffles, and white rice break down into glucose so quickly that your bloodstream gets flooded with sugar even if you never touch dessert. For people over 40 or 50, the body becomes less efficient at controlling blood sugar spikes. That means these foods hit harder and cause more glycation than when you were in your 20s. These foods weaken collagen, flatten facial structure over time, and even contribute to sagging skin because they interfere with the natural rebuilding of collagen fibers. In joints, the effect is even more dramatic. Cartilage becomes thinner, more brittle, and more prone to small tears. That's why many people experience new or worsening knee pain even when they haven't changed their exercise routine. What's even more surprising is how quickly the body reacts. One study showed that just one high glycemic meal can increase markers of collagen damage for up to 48 hours. That means if you're eating refined carbohydrates daily, your body is never getting a break. The good news, again, is that switching to whole grains, vegetables, lean protein, and smart, slow-digesting carbs can stabilize your skin and strengthen collagen all over your body. Many people see improvements within 7 to 14 days. Now, the third collagen destroyer is something people absolutely love and appears in thousands of meals every single day. It's any food cooked at extremely high temperatures. Think fried chicken, French fries, fast food burgers, crispy bacon, seared steaks, deep-fried snacks, and even that golden, crunchy crust that forms on roasted foods. Anytime you create that brown, crispy surface, you are creating ages, the exact molecules that damage collagen and speed up visible aging. The browner and crispier the food, the more ages it contains. These molecules travel through your bloodstream and attach to collagen in your skin, making it rigid, weak, and prone to wrinkles. They settle into your arteries, reducing elasticity. They invade your joints and accelerate cartilage breakdown. If you've ever noticed that after eating fried foods you feel swollen, puffy, or achy, that's not your imagination. It's biochemistry. The body sees these ages as foreign and vicious and responds with inflammation. Over time, this chronic inflammatory response becomes one of the main drivers behind early aging, joint stiffness, and even metabolic slowdown. But there's a simple fix. Shift your cooking style. When you choose steaming, baking at lower temperatures, slow cooking, boiling, or sautéing lightly, you drastically reduce age formation. It's one of the easiest anti-aging upgrades you can make. Now let's move to the fourth collagen destroyer, one of the most misunderstood categories in modern nutrition. Refined oils like soybean, corn, sunflower, cottonseed, and canola oil are cheap and heavily processed. During that processing, they oxidize easily and produce unstable molecules that create inflammation inside the body. Inflammation is one of the fastest ways to break down collagen. It weakens skin structure, makes tendons more fragile, inflames joints, disrupts gut health, and even interferes with hormonal balance. Most people don't realize how often they consume these oils. They're in chips, crackers, breads, protein bars, frozen meals, salad dressings, sauces, mayonnaise, margarine, restaurant foods, and even anything deep fried. When the body becomes inflamed from these oils, enzymes called metalloproteinases become overactive and begin tearing apart collagen at the molecular level. This is one of the reasons why people who switch to healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and omega-3 rich foods often notice softer skin, fewer aches, and a visible reduction in facial puffiness. Finally, let's talk about the fifth collagen destroyer. Alcohol. Now, I'm not here to judge anyone's habits, but it's important to understand what happens inside the body. Alcohol temporarily shuts down collagen production while increasing cortisol, the stress hormone that speeds up tissue breakdown. It also dehydrates your skin, reduces vitamin C levels, and makes collagen fibers more fragile. That's why after a night of drinking, your skin may look dull, puffy, or lined. Long-term, alcohol weakens blood vessels, slows wound healing, thins the skin, and contributes to visible sagging, especially around the jawline and under the eyes. But here's the hopeful part. The body is resilient. Reducing alcohol even slightly allows your collagen factories to restart. Drinking slowly, staying hydrated, or choosing days without alcohol gives your body a chance to rebuild. And you will feel that difference in your skin, your joints, and your overall energy. Now that we've explored the 5 major foods that break down collagen, let's talk about what happens when you start removing them from your routine. Many people report that their skin begins to glow differently. They feel more hydrated from the inside. Fine lines soften, skin firms, Jaw lines appear more defined, and the under-eye area becomes smoother. But beyond vanity, the changes go deeper. Joints feel more lubricated, cartilage gets better support, muscles recover faster, and overall inflammation drops. Why is this so powerful? Because collagen is everywhere, not just in your skin. It holds your bones together, stabilizes your tendons, supports your spinal discs, strengthens your blood vessels, nourishes your gums, and even plays a role in gut health. When collagen weakens, you feel it everywhere. But when collagen strengthens, you feel younger from the inside out. You feel more energetic. Your posture improves. Your digestion stabilizes, and your whole body seems to move with less effort. And here's the beautiful truth. Your body wants to heal. It wants to rebuild collagen every single day, but it can only do that when you stop attacking your collagen with the wrong foods. Once you remove these 5 major offenders, your body finally gets the opportunity to recover and regenerate. You don't need expensive creams or trendy supplements to make a difference. Most of the time, the transformation begins in your kitchen. Your choices, meal after meal, send a powerful message to your biology. You can say break down, or you can say rebuild. Every food you put on your plate is either supporting your collagen or destroying it. There is no neutral. And once you start noticing how much better you look and feel when collagen is protected, you will never want to go back. So consider this video a wake-up call for your skin, your joints, your metabolism, and your longevity. If you want to age gracefully, or better yet, age powerfully, take control of your collagen today. Start with 1 change, then 2. Over time, those changes compound into a body that looks and feels years younger. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-based wellness videos, and share this with someone who cares about aging better. Your health is your greatest investment, and you deserve to feel amazing at every age.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.